Do you want to add a link on Instagram story? You can put a link on Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a link on an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on the link sticker. Type or paste the URL you want to share in the link box. You can also customize the sticker text by tapping on Customize Sticker Text. Once added, tap on Done button. Now, you can resize, drag, and place the link sticker anywhere on your story. When you're happy with the story, tap on your story to share it. Your followers can now tap the link sticker to visit the website.